आयज मेरेन उण्याच 900 दुयेंतींक अर्थीक मजत दिवपाचे भाग्य आपणाक लाभले, राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लैन हाणें सांगले.
संपूर्ण गोवा यात्रा मोहिमे अंतर्गत राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांचो बुधवारा थिवी दौरो जालो. थिवी मतदारसंघातल्यो पंचायती, देवळां, चर्चींक ताणें भेट दिली. कांय दुयेंतींक अर्थीक मजतय भेटयली. खास करून शाळेंतल्या भुरग्यांनी केन्नाय आपल्या राजभवनाचेर भेट दिवं येता असो ताणें भुरग्यांक उलोय मारलो.
Relief was given by because of the interest taken by our MLA, because of his efforts 13 persons names were furnished and have given. You see, last year target was 71, declared and application sought for 71, but now till yesterday 887, today plus 13, now 900 patients were given such a relief. They are all public workers, minister, governor, all officers. They are all committed to the people. I am always in my speech stating that people are supreme. I am not going to that aspect because hungry is there in my stomach. That's why I don't. You are also like that. I had occasion to visit 95% of the Govan villages. Today I see very happy because on one side, of course, in front of our press people are here. They are prepared to lead you students, and they agreed for that. And this is the first time I am witnessing the students, teachers, and our press brothers, sister and brothers in such a meeting. That is why I am so happy. I am inviting all the students. You are at liberty to come to Rajbhavan at any time. I am welcoming all of you to Rajbhavan.
गोवा 365 खातीर थिवीच्यान संदीप कामुलकार.